Welcome to the Host Venom YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be setting up two-factor authentication on our Microsoft Remote desktop using Duo. As of this video, Duo does have a free plan for 1 to 10 users. If you don't already have a Duo account, you can sign up for one now. Once you've signed up for an account, you'll be in the admin area where you'll select Applications and Protect an Application. In the search bar, we're going to put in RDP and protect a Microsoft RDP. We will need the credentials on this page when we install the Duo application on our remote desktop. I'm going to open my VPS now and paste the URL into my web browser to download the Duo application. The download link is in the video description below. Once the program is downloaded, I'm going to run it, and as I proceed through the prompts, you will see that the information from the portal is being copied into the installer. When the installation finishes, we're going to go back over to the Duo portal to finish the user setup. Portal, we're going to select users and add a user. Since my remote desktop username is administrator, that's what I'm entering here. And when the page loads, I will enter a display name and an email address and scroll down and select Save Changes. After my changes have saved, I will send the enrollment email. You will need to open the enrollment email and click the link, which will prompt you to finish your user setup. Now, when I log into Remote Desktop, I'll be prompted for two-factor authentication. Thanks for joining us for today's tutorial.